Ever wondered what's really happening when you turn the key? We're going under the hood to see how an engine works.
At its core, an engine turns fuel into motion using a whole series of tiny controlled explosions.
So first things first, your car has an internal combustion engine. That just means the fire's inside.
And because the fire is inside, these engines are simpler, lighter, cheaper, and way more efficient. So how's it work?
Okay, to really get it, you gotta know the main parts, the key players that make it all happen.
So all the action happens right here, in the cylinder, and inside a piston just moves up and down.
That piston is linked to the crankshaft, which has one job: turn that up and down motion into rotation.
The piston's journey is between 2 points, top dead center, or TDC, and bottom dead center, or BDC.
The distance it goes, that's the stroke. The cylinder's diameter, that's the bore. This defines the engine size.
And a really key spec is the compression ratio. It's how much that air-fuel mix gets squeezed.
All these parts come together in a super precise sequence. Think of it like a 4-step mechanical dance.
It's called the 4-stroke cycle: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. And this happens thousands of times a minute.
Okay, that's the basic cycle. But most car engines fall into one of two main types. You've got spark ignition, think petrol, and compression ignition, which is what diesel cars use. The differences are key.
Really, it all comes down to spark versus squeeze. Petrol needs a spark plug. Diesel just squeezes.
Engines also differ in how many strokes they need to complete one power cycle. It's not always 4.
Most cars use a 4-stroke. 2 strokes give you power more often, but they're usually less efficient.
So what's the takeaway? Well, every engine design is a trade-off between power, simplicity, and efficiency.
This engine literally changed the world. But now, with new fuels and designs, what's next for this fiery heart?